Home Depot. I want to show you what we got from here and the flower bed that we got. I had a video previously, but somehow got deleted, so I'm making a new one. Right here. So it is kind of cloudy, looks like it's about to rain, but I wanted to come out here to show how the garden looks currently. There's this plant, I'm not sure what that is, but it looks so pretty and we didn't want to cut it. It might be weed, but this is the cherry tomatoes. You can see there's some down there still growing. We're still harvesting, still waiting for those to get red and to turn red. And you see these ones are still flowering. So we have a lot of tomatoes. I had onions. Onions did not survive. The corn did not survive. We're about to take those out. But the pineapple is growing, but it's growing slow. So this is how the garden looks currently. One final significance of including a garden into your preschool program is that gardening is very relaxing and calming. You know, when you're with the plants, it's like you're in a different world entirely. You're tending to the plants is just so peaceful. You know, the quiet and the feeling of calm when you're with nature. That's something beautiful that the children can experience. So I wanted to show you the planting pots we used, the plastic planting pots. These we got in different colors from the dollar store. And then these labels I got from Amazon, and each child had a planting pot with the first letter of their name, you know, right on the side. You can see where I had peeled off the label that I used, and these can be used over and over and over again. So these planting pots with the children's first letter of their first names on it also help them, you know, in recognizing letters and beginning letters as well. So that's something the gardening project can also do, you know, help the children with reading and recognizing letters. These were very helpful because at the end of about 3 weeks, when we took these out and transplanted, when we took the plants out from here and transplanted them into the big garden bed in the backyard, everybody knew the beginning letters of their names and the beginning letters of their friends' names, you know. So you know how children are, they're very territorial. Oh, this is mine, this is my flower pot, that's not yours, you know. So that was an amazing experience as well. Hi everyone, welcome to Little Rubies Daycare Encounters YouTube channel, where we emphasize play-based learning, wellness, and research-based solutions to issues in early childhood education. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for more exciting videos. So these are watering cans for the kids. We generally use the hose, or before the hose, just to make the children, you know, participate and be more responsible with their chores. We put water in here and let them water the plants. These little watering cans I got from a program that I participate in. It's called the Rev Your Bev program, where you encourage children to drink more water, you know, rather than drink sugary drinks. So I've been participating for a while, and I've been saving mine, and this is how I use them afterwards. I do look forward to getting these cans. They are very durable, they don't break, You know how children can be with things. These ones are very durable. They don't break, I tell you. And we've been using them for quite a while. So these are watering cans for the garden, and it helped the children, you know, be responsible while they water their plants.
Imagine the boundaries. Basically, this is enough.
Right, 2 of those will be very good. 2 of those will be good enough.
So that's good?
Yeah, 2 will be good.
That's enough. That's good, isn't it? You can imagine.
2 of them are good, 2. See if you can find your plant. Be careful, don't spill. You ready, Lily? Find your plant and put the water in there. Let's spread the soil. Spread, spread, spread. Oh, Sebastian's doing great. Dorian's doing great. Let's spread that Wow! Hold it, we have to wash it so you can eat it, okay? Hapa, you want to take one? Just one. Dorian, can you take one? Yeah, can you take one, Dorian? I see it. Keke, can you take one tomato? We have to wash it before we eat it.
Going to be yummy.
Yeah.